In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page. Squarespace 7.0. If you've ever removed a page by accident, don't worry. Squarespace 7.0 stores deleted pages in a recycle bin for a limited time, so recovery is usually quick and painless. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to make sure everything ends up exactly where you want it. First, go to your website and sign in to your Squarespace account. From your site's dashboard, you'll be looking at the main editing interface. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one, and that you have permission to edit pages, since only authorized contributors can restore deleted content. Next, click on Pages in the left-hand menu. This opens the Pages panel where you manage your site's navigation and page structure. This is where you'll find both your live pages and sections like Not Linked, as well as the place we need to go to recover deleted items. Now, look for the area related to deleted pages, often labeled Recycle Bin, or shown as a highlighted section within the Pages panel. Click the highlighted option to open it. You'll see a list of pages you've recently removed. If the page you want isn't there, it may have been permanently deleted, or too much time may have passed. But if it's listed, you're in good shape. Find the page you want to bring back and click Restore. Take a moment to confirm you're restoring the right item. Check the page title and, if needed, any small details you recognize. Restoring brings the page back with its content and layout intact. By default, it typically returns to the Not Linked section rather than the main navigation, which is helpful if you want to review it before it goes live again. When prompted, click Confirm to finalize the restore. That's it. The page has been recovered. After the confirmation, head back to the Pages panel to locate the restored page. If you want it visible in your site's main navigation, you can drag it from Not Linked into the appropriate navigation area. It's a good idea to preview the page, check that images and links are working, and review settings like page title, URL slug, and SEO options to ensure everything still matches your preferences. And that's how you restore a deleted page in Squarespace 7.0. Remember to act sooner rather than later, since deleted items are only kept temporarily. With these steps, you can recover content